Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a video with clip-ins and I'm going to be using some hair from Amazon. Yes, so this is the first time I've actually ever purchased hair from Amazon. I just wanted the quickest and easiest and most simplest. Honestly, I put no thoughts into this video, but I do want to say one thing. This video was horribly recorded. It is so yellow, it's driving me nuts. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make this video happen because it's just, I don't want, let's not worry about perfection in 2022. Anywho, I did have some creases in my hair, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron out those creases so that my hair looks nice and smooth. It looks more like a fresh wannabe silk wash. And yeah, but I'm gonna be using my flat iron from EAP Heat. Now, you don't have to have your flat iron on the highest heat. And you know how you always miss the middle section? So I had to go back and make sure that I didn't miss that part. So that's what I'm doing right here. Go ahead and comb it out, make sure it's all perfect. And yeah, so this is where we're at. This is my foundation. This is the pack that I'm gonna be using. Now I had to get I have a 12-inch. I believe this is a 12-inch. Oh, crap. I think it's a 12 or a 14-inch. I have to check the Amazon thingy. But this is how the hair looks. I got it in the color 1 because my real hair is dyed jet black. So here we are. We have a lot of pieces here, but I wanted to start off by flat ironing the hair first. So that way we can eliminate possibly reflat ironing our hair over once we install the clip-in. So just take this time right now to make sure that your clip-ins are as smooth, straight, and there are no bumps in the clip-ins at all. And this pack of clip-ins came with 8 pieces. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I love how it blends in with my hair. It's actually been my go-to. When you're done flat ironing, I would suggest you lay out all the pieces so you can see what you have and where you may want to place your clip-ins. Very important. And then take this piece, I kind of narrowed it down to using that one first. Make a nice little part in the back of your head. You don't want it too low to the back of your hair because remember, you want to be able to put your hair up if anything, or just have it feel as natural and comfortable as possible. Clip up the hair that you're not going to use anymore or at that moment. And then remember, you want to open up the clip-ins. Okay, so that's it closed. You want to snap it open. You're going to hear it snap. And then you're just going to kind of curve it onto your scalp and then snap it onto your scalp. Now I have a little bit more of a more clear piece of footage for you later on, so keep on watching. And I really wanted to do this video for you guys because y'all have been asking me forever to buy hair from Amazon. So this is really the start of me buying hair from Amazon. I would say next I want to go into buying lace wigs. So if you have any wig links or any wig videos that you're like, or any wigs that you're like, I really want you to try, or any hair brands, let me know. I'll definitely go ahead and start purchasing. But I figured I'd start small and clip-ins is where I decided to start at. So I'm listening to you guys. And it looks so flat against my scalp, which is one of my favorite parts about clip-ins. Now, I'm not usually a fan of it because I usually just wear my real hair, but I actually love the way this blended in, how it made my hair feel a tad bit fuller. Now, for the future, I probably would go for a little bit more clip-ins, but I think this is actually good enough for now, for my first time at least. Okay, so you want to go ahead and take the clip-in and kind of scoop it into your hair. Now be careful, don't be too rough because this can be very uncomfortable if it's scooped in too tight or just you put too much pressure as you're putting the clip in. So be gentle, okay? The point is not to lose any hair as we're doing these styles that add more volume, or whether it's protective styling or whatnot. So take your time. Make sure everything is unsnapped before you place the clip-ins on your head, just to make life easier, and then snap it onto your scalp. And then I prefer to have very straight parts. Some people actually really don't care, but I feel like for a neat foundation like this, I need straight parts. So you see how we have, you know, this nice round part. This is where the last longest piece is going to go. You don't want to put that piece too high up, because remember, you might want to put your hairs behind your ears. You might want to do a long part. So don't put that part too close up to the front of your hair. And then these little short pieces, I believe you get 4. I'm going to put 2 on each side. And I'm going to put it as close as possible to the front without it interfering, without you being able to see it. So if you put it too close up to the front and you can see it when you're wearing your hair in a basic style, then take it out and move it a little bit back. And then for this next piece you're going to do, don't put it too close to the part, so you can see how it still looks flat. And then I wanted to go ahead and just curl my hair. I'm using the EAP Heat Curling Iron, one of my favorites. It's really hot, gets to the point. I don't think I had this on the highest heat though. But the good thing is, if you're wondering, this hair obviously can curl. It actually does hold a slight curl. It will drop throughout the night, I will say that, unless you maybe put hairspray on it, but I didn't. So yeah, I think it came out pretty cute. It added fullness to my hair. And then I went ahead and combed all the curls out. This is the end result. It looked so good, especially in person. It looked really full, matched my hair texture. So I'm curious to know how long these will last. I don't plan on having these in, obviously, forever, you know, but enough to do the job for now. I think it was like literally less than $50. Wait, no, I'm lying. Hold on. It was literally less than $30, $26. Do not buy this hair in the store, by the way, because it will be about $50. So make sure you go ahead and buy it on Amazon if you're smart. And that's all for this video. Let me know if you guys actually like this. I actually enjoyed this.